Once there was a war between the birds and the beasts. They decided to destroy their enemies. But the bats did not support either of them. They remained neutral. At first, the tide of the war turned against the bird. The bats perhaps thought the beast could certainly become the winner. As it was very difficult for the birds to come back against the beast, they requested bats to join them. But the bats refused to join, rather replied they were beasts and could not support the birds against the beast. The bats joined the beast, the victors indeed. The tide of the word could not remain constant for a long time. Immediately, the tide of the war turned against the beast. It turned in the favor of birds. As the birds became the winner, the bats deserted the beasts and went over to the immediate victors. The war did not last for a long time. It finally came to an end. A truce was made between the birds and the beast. Both the birds and the beast took revenge on the bats. Both of them thought that the bats betrayed them, being extremely opportunist and selfish. The moral is, the opportunists are ultimately hated and punished by others. One with such nature leads himself to failure and chaos.